Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're here to take a quick second to show you how easy it is to use our T-tap connectors. Now these T-tap connectors are very convenient when you're trying to utilize the existing wiring in your truck's harness for either a ground or power connection. So how these T-tap connectors work is we're going to take the wire from your new auxiliary LED lighting and you're going to run it in this single circle channel here on the back of the connector. So you're gonna make sure it's open all the way, and then we're gonna push our wire here all the way in, and then we're gonna take some pliers and push down on this channel. You'll hear a faint click as these two locking tabs here on the sides lock into place. So that gives us a firm connection on that side. And now we're ready to connect to, using our imagination that this is our truck's harness, connect to our power, our ground wire, whatever the case is. So we're gonna put that wire in this open channel here, just like so, and then we're gonna, again, apply pressure right down here, right on the this top cap. And it may not be heard on the video, but there'll be another faint sound as this locking tab also locks into place. So that's going to give us a safe, tight, and firm connection to this wire. For more instructional videos just like this, as well as custom-built LED lighting products for your Ford truck, be sure to check us out today at F150LEDs.com. Thanks, guys.